More news coming in at this point in time from Bihar. Big Bihar election scoop on India Today. Voting is possible in 3 phases, we are hearing, after Chhath Puja, likely between the 5th and the 15th of November. A new assembly must be formed in the state before the 22nd of November. During this visit, the Commission will review election preparations and the final voter list, which will be published on the 30th of September. The last assembly elections were held in 3 phases in the year 2020. Aishwarya has more. 3 phases is what we are learning. Chhath Puja important for the state of Bihar, their main festival, and hence the elections would be sometime after the puja. What else are you learning?
Well, Sneha, what we are understanding at the moment, we will see the whole commission going to the state of Bihar next week. Those are the likely dates that we are understanding. The trip will be for 2 days. And at the end of the second day, we will see a press conference that will be done by the Election Commission with regards to the date. We are also understanding that the elections will be held in 3 phases, and those elections will be held between the 7th and the 14th of November. The current assembly session ends on the 22nd of November. So before that, we'll see the announcement of dates being done.
These are details that we have with us at this point in time about the very fact that there would be elections in 3 phases. Also, the voting possibly after Chhath Puja. The new assembly must be formed in the state before the 22nd of November. Aishwarya continues to be with us. Aishwarya, also talk to us about when are we expecting the Election Commission to in fact make the announcement about the dates formal. In fact, there would be a formal press conference, of course, before this is done. When is that also expected?
Well, first week of October, Sneha, that's what we are looking at the moment. We will see the Election Commission going to the state of Bihar, and they will be in the city of Patna. They will start by reviewing what needs to be done, and if there is anything that needs to be changed, the movement of the troops, that's also something that will be discussed by the Commission. All the officers will be present in this meeting. Also, we will see how stringent rules will be put in place. So that's also something that the Commission will be doing. The first week of October is what our sources are telling us. That's the time when the Election Commission will be in the state of Bihar.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Getting in those details is Aishwarya Pariwal telling us about how the elections would be done in 3 phases is what we are learning at this point in time. India Today's Maria Shakil also spoke to Tejasvi Yadav. Listen into what he said.
तेजस्वी, इस बार का चुनाव क्या है?
देखिए, इस बार का चुनाव जो है जनता से है वो आप जानिए। ये दिल्ली से आई है, आज तक चैनल है और पूछ रही है कि इस बार कौन जीतेगा बताइए आप लोग। ये पूछ रही है कि सीएम कौन होगा। इनको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, थोड़ा जोर से बोलना। इस बार महागठबंधन की सरकार बनेगी। एक बार दोनों हाथ उठा के इनके कैमरे में दिखा दो। सब लोग दोनों हाथ उठा करके दिखा दीजिए, तो आपको जवाब मिल गया होगा।
Very, very confident Tejasvi Yadav in that political rally with India Today's Maria Shakil. They're saying that this is in fact the party that is going to come to power. It's going to be the Mahagठबंधन alliance that will be winning these elections. Of course, the campaign continues, not just on the opposition side, but also on the NDA side, essentially, as in fact the dates are coming closer for the elections, state assembly elections in the state of Bihar. Tejasvi Yadav there speaking to Maria Shakil, India Today, and talking about the victory for the RJD-led alliance.